In this video, I'm going to show you 3 signs that make up a successful prop firm. Hey, it's Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial market. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. All traders come to prop firms with the intention of making money. The challenge is how to distinguish between an honest prop firm and an unethical prop firm. Sign number 1, they pay their traders. Successful prop firms are not in the business of losing money. When successful traders close out winning trades, the prop firm splits the profits and pays out their trader. In order to maintain sufficient liquidity and cash flow, the prop firm charges sign-up evaluation fees to its candidate traders, which can range between $50 up to $500 or more, depending on the size of capital they wish to trade with. On average, 85 to 90% of these traders participating in these forex evaluations will fail. And in most cases, the prop firm will retain the evaluation fees to fund successful traders and setting aside a portion of those earnings to offset any losing trades from losing traders. A successful prop firm will have a disciplined financial business model that will help avoid the temptation to spend all they have and focus on paying out its traders when they have profitable trades. Hiring an experienced prop firm consultant like Nagy Financial Services will help greatly reduce the burden of setting up your prop firm. Sign number 2, they communicate with their traders. With advanced technology, there is no excuse why any prop firm does not regularly communicate with their prop traders. Email, live chat, and Discord are some of the primary ways successful prop firms should communicate with their traders, and often do. When a trader follows the rules of the prop firm and requests a payout, it is the prop firm's responsibility to respond to them at least within 24 hours and then pay them out in my opinion, at least 48 hours or even a little bit later. If there are legitimate unexpected delays in payments or technical issues, a successful prop firm will convey that information to its trader and ask for some patience until the issue is resolved. Sign 3, they manage their capital wisely. Unfortunately, some prop firms do not know how to manage their capital correctly. This is typically due to overspending of profits earned by the prop firm, and immature prop firms owners spend their cash on expensive cars and boats and houses and not enough money left over to pay out its traders and other expenses. Now, successful prop firms are very much aware of the fact that not all traders are successful. One way a prop firm can hedge against losses is by taking the opposite side of their new traders. By utilizing sophisticated financial management tools, the prop firm can internalize those trades to a separate account with their liquidity provider. This strategy limits the potential losses of inexperienced traders and will not affect the prop firm's margin account or its cash flow. If a successful prop firm is well capitalized, they should and have no problem with refunds and credits if there are certain trade execution problems such as major slippage. Now, that doesn't mean that every trader gets a free pass, but it does show that the prop firm has a genuine interest in the success of its traders. Hey, if you're looking to start your own forex prop firm or hedge fund, I recommend my ebook bundle, The Ultimate Prop Firm Guide and Ultimate Hedge Fund Guide. Click on the link below in the description box.